Hi, this is Sebastiaan, Social Anxiety Solutions, a former social anxiety disorder sufferer and a social confidence coach. And here's your quick social anxiety tip of the week. Alright, so problem that people with social anxiety have is worrying about what other people think of them. Very concerned about that. So I'm going to share with you a really quick mindset. Now that mindset actually doesn't solve your problem, but it's at least helpful to have the right mindset. Alright, so when you're worrying about what other people are thinking of you, you're doing a lot of what if thinking, which is very common for someone with social anxiety. You know, what if they're thinking I'm not cool? What if I embarrass myself and they see it? What if they see me anxious? What if what if they're gonna criticize me? What if they look down on me? What if they think I'm a loser? What if blah 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 blah, right? So there's the worry about what it is that they think of you. Well, you're not going to be able to change what they think of you anyway. So what you want to do is you want to have an attitude of, all right, well, I'll give you permission to think whatever you think of me. I'm just going to accept whatever it is that you think of me because I have no control over it anyway, because in the end you have zero control over it. It's outside of you, right? So there's no control over it. So that's it. That's the mindset. I accept what other people think of me. It's actually a belief, and it's a belief that you want to subconsciously ingrain. Now, people might say, you got to do affirmations. Might be a bit helpful, but how to get to that place is a different story. And this is just a quick social anxiety tip, and I'm going to keep this under 3 minutes. So this is just the mindset. Now, how to get there is a whole different story. Overcoming your social anxiety is a bigger problem that can be broken down into small pieces, and then with the right technique, the right approach, and the right way of using that technique, you can take one small bit of your social anxiety, get rid of it. Another piece of your social anxiety, get rid of it. And over time, you can get rid of your social anxiety completely. I've done it. Many of my clients have. And you can see these videos. You can see some video testimonials on my channel. All right. And if you want to get started on how to do that, go to my website, socialanxietysolutions.com. And there's a button there that says Overcome Social Anxiety. Or you can click below this video. There's a link that goes directly there. There you'll get 10 free videos where I teach you the technique that I personally use to overcome my social anxiety that I've helped hundreds of clients with for close to 5,000 hours. Been coaching since 2009 October. And I teach you the technique so you can already start reducing some of your social anxiety and guide you through the technique, and you'll know how to do it after those videos. So go to the link below this video or go to my website, socialanxietysolutions.com. Hope it's been helpful, and subscribe. Every Thursday I release a new video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.